Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 laptop driver download. So first link you can see the PC support.lenovo. This is official website. You just right click to new tab. And this method use any browsers to Google search box. Then go to this. Slow down. You can see this is your laptop Flex 5. Okay, and that two type to install automatic and manual. So if you are getting some issues in the automatic, so you can use manual. And manual, this is best, which is required, you can install one by one. It just click to driver and operating system, OS, independent Windows 7, 10, 11, all, which is you require. Suppose I have Windows 11, select this. Remove the filter, scroll down. After that, click to camera and card reader, scroll down. You can check also operating system which is using. Okay, if your operating system is it is not selected after not showing data, no worry, just unchecked and install latest one. Okay, this is camera driver, and so this one which is showing download here, you just click to download. After wait few seconds, it will run automatic for the downloading. After the download, you just single click to this setup and then click to yes, then next, I accept, next. You can see this driver camera, then next. It is done. Okay, launch the camera driver, uncheck this, then finished. After that, restart your system, guys. Thank you.